guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily level up your insect catching hobby in Heartopia. So whenever there is like an insect catching event, you're going to want to join with a lot of friends. So invite as many people as you can, and basically you're going to want to use the inflatable insect attractor that looks like this. And basically what will happen is that when there's like the insect swarm, a lot of the like butterflies will spawn there. As you can see here, I got a lot of butterflies. You are the one that needs to use the like inflatable attractor, or else someone else will be the one getting like all of the butterflies. You can like take turns between like events, but basically it's going to spawn a lot, also like depending on how many people are in the event as well. And once there's like a swarm outbreak, there will be more butterflies in the like near the area that you can catch. Hence, therefore, you can gain more points for your insect catching hobby. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!